Good morning, students. मैं ब्रिजेश सिंह, सुब्रा सिंह चिल्ड्रन एकेडमी strongly welcome in political science class. Students, I have taken a lot of lectures about the relation of the freedom, liberty, equality in constitutional point of view, in constitutional connection. As you know, freedom is running topic. Freedom is running topic. I have already taken 2 lectures about the freedom. This is a totally consist of the freedom political theory. I have always expressed my intention to correlate all kinds of topics related to political theory. Our political theorists have made full effort to connect the Constitution, whatever facilities have been allotted, just like freedom, rights, justice, equalities, they analyze, our political theorists analyze what is the main theme of to be implementation of such topics. So in this session, I will take the chapter of freedom. I have discussed about some related matters about the freedom, how can freedom can be utilized in practical life, how can the freedom can be implemented in practical life, what our maximum freedom, what kind of result behind it, if the freedom has been minimized, what kind of impact the personal development being a human being in the society, if you are absolutely free, what kind of scenarios can be reflected regarding the rule and regulations. So both are in dangerous zone. Both are in dangerous zone if your freedom has been maximized, if your freedom has been minimized. Our political theorists try to make a balance. Everything should be in balance. So in this topic, I will talk today, the first of all, what is the relevant definition of the freedom. First of all, I will talk about the definition. Definition, exact and practical definition. Actually, everybody can tell without any kind of restriction. Without any kind of restriction, अगर आप सामान्य तौर पर पूछेंगे स्वतंत्रता क्या है, तो आप यही कहेंगे कि किसी प्रकार की कोई बाधा ना पहुंचे, हमारे निजी कार्यों में जो हम करना चाहते हैं उसमें किसी प्रकार की बाधा ना पहुंचे। यहीं से हमारे पॉलिटिकल थियरिस्ट, हमारे पॉलिटिकल थिंकर, हमारे पॉलिटिकल फिलोसफर्स इस बात को जस्टिफाइड करने की कोशिश किए हैं कि द प्रपोजल इज बीइंग डिमांडेड बोथ ऑन लॉजिकल जस्टिफाइड। हाउ कैन दिस कैन बी जस्टिफाइड? वी डोंट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ रिस्ट्रिक्शन एट ऑल, वी आर टोटली फ्री टू डू एवरीथिंग व्हाट आई वांट। इस बीच में एक प्रकार की थियरी देने की कोशिश किए हैं कि ये सच थिंग्स कैन नॉट बी ग्रांटेड, सच थिंग्स दिस इज नॉट प्रॉफिटेबल, दिस इज नॉट फ्रूटफुल फॉर द सोसाइटी at the maximum level or the minimum level. So making a balance between the freedom. So first of all, look at the ground situation of the definition. Freedom is complete absence of restrictions. जीवन में कोई बाधा ना हो, आप जो करना चाहते हैं उसमें कोई बाधा ना हो, उस चीज को क्या डिफाइन किया गया है? एब्सेंस ऑफ रिस्ट्रिक्शंस, बाधाओं से रहित जीवन, बाधाओं से रहित जीवन कार्यक्रम को, किसी टास्क को किस चीज से डिफाइन किया गया है? दिस हैज बीन लिंक अप ऑन द फ्रीडम। स्वतंत्रता वो है जिसमें किसी प्रकार की कोई बाधा न हो। I exactly told you right now, this is the very simple definition which can be expressed by a common person. Don't disturb me, I just want to do. But in political theorists, according to this a frame of definition, they have tried to search out what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, what are the right impact, what are the wrong impact, having drawn a line between the positive freedom, negative freedom, whatever necessary freedoms which have been allotted by our constitutional framer through fundamental rights, through directive principle of state policies, how judiciary command. These things are extra things you have already studied about you. Now we will try to correlate them and according to our political thinker. So first of all, this is the common definition of the freedom is complete absence of restrictions. स्वतंत्रता वो है जिसमें किसी प्रकार की कोई बाधा ना हो, और दिस इज द वेरी वेरी नॉर्मल ऑर्डिनरी डेफिनेशन ऑफ फ्रीडम. On this particular topic, our political thinker widely recognized political thinker J.S. Mill, very important, John Stuart Mill, very famous political thinker, which has mentioned in particular composed book on liberty. This is the very kind of famous book which has been composed by J.S. Mill. J.S. Mill tries to explain in the particular book what is the real impact, personal regarding freedom, other persons regarding freedom, what is the positive freedom, what is the negative freedom, and one kind of very special theory has been generated, harm theory. This is the very important question and also related to your textbook, harm theory. Composed by J.S. Mill. J.S. Mill tries to elaborate two kinds of theories. This is the first of all, personal regarding, and second, others regarding. They have tried, the particular writer J.S. Mill, John Stuart Mill, on liberty, very famous book. This question is very important for the examination of point of view, not only 11th and 12th standard incoming examinations. You have to very enlisted main writers' books, especially in political science. So please feed in your mind, On Liberty has been composed by J.S. Mill, which was very important political thinker and widely recognized political thinker, has set up his own identity in the area of the freedom and so many. T.S. Green is other political thinker, T.S. Green. Also focused some special point of view. Now this other political thinker, Mahatma Gandhi composed a book, Hind Swaraj, very important book composed by Mahatma Gandhi, Hind Swaraj. Mahatma Gandhi has tried to mention what is the meaning of the Hind Swaraj. Self-rule, self-discipline. This is the complete history from 1857 to 1947. Our freedom fighters fought with the complete intention of India gets freedom. We have to receive our complete freedom from the British era. भारतीय आंदोलन का मुख्य उद्देश्य क्या था कि भारत को आजाद कराना है. आजाद का मतलब स्वतंत्रता मतलब फ्रीडम मीन्स व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फ्रीडम? स्वराज, खुद का रूल हो, खुद का संविधान हो, अपने द्वारा बनाए गए रूल्स के अंतर्गत रहें, उस चीज को लेकर के महात्मा गांधी, अ वेरी वेरी लेजेंड पर्सन ऑफ द इंडियन हिस्ट्री और political era, that's Mahatma Gandhi wrote the book of Hind Swaraj in 1930. In 1930, such kind of steps must be noted in your rough copy with the pen. Hind Swaraj has been composed by Mahatma Gandhi, and On Liberty composed by the J.S. Mill. These two prominent writers have mentioned their view on the topic of the freedom. Definition: freedom is complete absence of restriction. J.S. Mill, through On Liberty, they developed two kind of theory: a personal regarding, others regarding. I will take the complete lecture in other videos. Beyond, I just want to mention this kind of political theorist. Now I will take what kind of freedom. What kind of freedom? This is the dimension of freedom. Dimension of freedom. Dimensions of freedom means we have to classify kinds of freedom. किस प्रकार की स्वतंत्रता हो सकती है, किस प्रकार की स्वतंत्रता, क्या स्वतंत्रता ओनली एक पर्टिकुलर वर्ड है, या उसको किसी भी क्लासिफिकेशन के तहत उसको क्लासिफाइड किया जाता है. इन दिस पर्टिकुलर डिपार्टमेंट वी हैव टू थिंग्स वेरी काइंड ऑफ द पॉजिटिव फ्रीडम. पॉजिटिव फ्रीडम. And secondly, this one is negative freedom. हम इस बात को समझने की कोशिश करेंगे कि फ्रीडम में I will take complete analysis in particular in last video, because we are totally concentrate in this area. First of all, the definition and dimensions of the freedom. First of all, positive freedom and negative freedom. Positive freedom, complete development and creativity. Himself as citizen. एक ऐसी आजादी हमको चाहिए कि समाज में खुद को डेवलप करने के लिए, अपने टारगेट को पाने के लिए, अपने डेस्टिनेशन को पाने के लिए किसी प्रकार का कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं होना चाहिए. दिस कम्स अंडर कैटेगरी ऑफ द पॉजिटिव फ्रीडम. पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड: कंप्लीट डेवलपमेंट एंड क्रिएटिविटी, हिमसेल्फ एज सिटीजन. कंप्लीट डेवलपमेंट, पूर्ण विकास, अपनी जिंदगी के पूर्ण विकास के लिए आपको किसी ऐसी प्रकार की बाधा न दी जाए जहां आपको अपने व्यक्तित्व को विकास करने में किसी प्रकार का बैरियर, किसी प्रकार का ऑब्स्टिकल, किसी प्रकार की रुकावट आए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज दैट यू वांट टू बी इंजीनियर, बट मैक्सिमम member of your family, friend circle, relatives have main intention to be a doctor. You don't have interest in biology, you don't have interest in the department of the biology, you don't want to be doctor. Doctor is a very good profession, but it is not matter of good profession, this can be other, but what is your own interest? This should be underlined. What is your own interest? So this is the dimension of freedom, positive freedom. No barrier can be restricted, and you have to develop your personality and the complete era of the positive dimensions. No restriction can be imposed by your parents, by the person of society or individual, because you have to generate your caliber, you have to generate your capacities in the particular department of the positive. And the second is negative freedom. Negative freedom means we can do whatever I want. I don't have any kind of intention beyond of the social aspect. We have to develop ourselves anyhow, positive or negative. We can do anything. This is the standardized part of the society or not. This can be forwarded under the validity of social norms. I don't care. I just need of the freedom. I just need of the freedom. This kind of freedom is totally harmful for the society, where you can pressure, I can do what I want. मैं वो सब कुछ कर सकता हूं जो करना चाहूं, और इस प्रकार की इजाजत रूल एंड रेगुलेशंस के द्वारा आपको कभी मिल नहीं सकती. यू कांट गेट सच काइंड ऑफ फ्रीडम बिकॉज एनार्की doesn't meaning of the rules and regulation. What is meaning of rules and regulation? If you are going to adopt as particular things that I can do as own condition, this is not. Suppose that this is the traffic rule, you have to follow by your left, so definitely you have to walk your by left. आपको बाएं से चलना है. You can't move from your right side because this is the rule and regulation of traffic rules, and constitutionally rules have been allotted to you and just the limitation of your rules. एक दायरे में रह करके हमको चलना है, और उस दायरे में रह करके रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन को हैविंग फॉलोड द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस, वी हैव allotted the rights, the freedom to develop ourselves, generate our creativity, generate our freedom, generate our personalities in the mainstream of the nation, in the mainstream of the society. This come under category of the positive. But on the develop of your own personalities, this cannot be allowed to violate the rule and regulations. हम समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, और आप इस बात को जरूर समझेंगे कि पॉजिटिव का मतलब रूल्स रेगुलेशन के दायरे में रह करके अपने आप का विकास करना, समाज में एक व्यक्तित्व के रूप में उभरना, एक पर्सनालिटी के रूप में उभरना, समाज में सेवा भाव लेकर के करना, अपने देश हित में काम करना, परिवार हित में काम करना, अपने व्यक्तित्व को आगे बढ़ाना, लेकिन रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन के दायरे में रह करके. दिस इज द पॉजिटिव फ्रीडम. बट इन नेगेटिव फ्रीडम, एनी हाउ यू वांट टू एब्सॉर्ब by using the negative elements and being compromised of the human being values, rules and regulations. This is not allowed. This is not allowed. Having sustaining of the negative freedoms. So this is the major difference of the positive freedom and negative freedom. You have to draw a line because limitations chance are always occurred in your life. एक सीमित दायरे में रह करके, एक जुरिडिक्शन में रह करके हमको सब कुछ करना पड़ता है. जहां से मेरी आजादी, वहां मेरी आजादी खत्म हो जाती है, जहां दूसरों की परेशानी शुरू होती है. Our freedom ends there, where the troubles start from there. हमारी आजादी वहीं खत्म हो जाएगी जहां हमारी आजादी की वजह से किसी दूसरों की परेशानी शुरू होती है. तो दिस इज द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस एंड वी हैव टू फॉलो. दिस इज द basic rule. This is the basic rule of human being society. This is the basic rule of human being society. We have to take the connectivity of other persons, our hindrances and barriers. Suppose that you have a music system you brought from the market, definitely by rules, regulations, this is your music system. You can use it high tone, volume, doesn't matter. Practically, professionally, this is your music system. You can use it. This is the ownership of you. But in never somebody is suffering from illness. You have to take attention between the facilities of other persons. दूसरों की सुविधा पर भी ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. तो ये आपकी क्या है? नेगेटिव फ्रीडम है. आप इसको दावे के तौर पर कह सकते हैं कि नहीं, मेरा म्यूजिक सिस्टम है, मैं जितना चाहूं तेज बजा सकता हूं, कोई मुझे रोक नहीं सकता. नोबडी कैन स्टॉप मी. दिस कम्स अंडर कैटेगरी ऑफ द नेगेटिव फ्रीडम. Suppose that your younger brother sister is studying in your room and you are dancing, you are listening music and the fast tone music. This is not allowed because you have to take attention. Your younger brother and sister is studying, so you have to keep silence at all because running process of study. So you have to restrict yourself. This is kind of negative freedom. At that place you can't put You can't put your freedom, this is my right, I can take proper loud talking in our conversation. No, because somebody is studying, some person is getting not feeling good at all, that's the ill persons. एक बीमार व्यक्ति अगर घर में है तो एक माहौल बन जाता है कि हमको थोड़ा सा शांति से रहना है क्योंकि उनको परेशानी हो सकती है. So such kind of facilities are naturally allotted to you, but you have to take care of other person beyond of your liberties or your freedom. आप अपनी आज़ादी को वहीं तक यूज कर सकते हैं, अपने स्वामित्व को, अपने ओनरशिप को आप वहीं तक यूज कर सकते हैं जहाँ की दूसरों की परेशानी क्रिएट ना हो. और दिस इज द हेल्दी सोसाइटी रूल. और मुझे लगता है कि हर व्यक्ति ये चाहता है, हर व्यक्ति ये चाहता है कि हर व्यक्ति अपनी स्वतंत्रता का यूटिलाइजेशन करे, स्वतंत्रता का यूज करे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, लेकिन उसको दूसरों की भी सुविधा पर ध्यान रखना है. और दिस इज द टिपिकल डेफिनेशन ऑफ द freedom from where the rules and regulations have been generated, and this is your jurisdiction. You have to take the proper command within in this area. So this is the definition of the freedom. Simple definitions. I have talked T.S. Green, Mahatma Gandhi, Hind Swaraj, harmful theory. On this particular topic I will take the separate video because very long topic here. Personal recordings, what is the meaning of the personal recording, what is the meaning of the others regarding chess mill on liberties. Such kind of topics will be discussed in third part of the video, because until you don't have the third part of the video, freedom chapter is not going to be ended. So definitely we have touched today definition freedom and dimensions of the freedom, positive freedom, negative freedoms, and I will try to take what kind of freedom has been allotted in reference to our constitution. What kind of, there is no need of writing at all, because such kind of definition, such kind of topic I have read in previous videos having related to your constitution. But in the connection of freedom, we have to mention is some kinds of freedom. This topic, kinds of freedom. First of all, you have to take the first citizen freedom. Secondly, economic freedom. Thirdly, political freedom. Fourth, safeguarding freedom. Next, national freedom. And finally, this is the kind of your liability to freedom, right to protection कह सकते हैं आप, liability to freedom, जीने का अधिकार, survive your life without any kind of barrier. These kinds of the freedom, actually these freedoms have been correlated to your topic of the fundamental rights and directive principle of state policies. But this was very necessary to mention these topics who are examply related to freedom. Right to freedom, Article 19(2), 19(2), 24, 19(2), 20, 120, 1918, 19, 25 religious, and 32 heart of the constitution, and 17 untouchability, 14 right to equality, 25 right to religious, and 19 especially right to freedoms. This 14 to 32, this kind of the article has been mentioned in fundamental rights. You have to correlate exactly. And 18, Article 13 are the barrier of the taking the particular title. 17, 16, right to reservation and the jobs, 15, so many articles I have discussed about the exactly how to need the correlation of here. So this was the exact explanation of the freedom, and try to cover the maximum part of the freedom. One thing is remaining, just the home theory belonging to political theory of J.S. Mill. I will try to complete lecture in the last video of the chapter freedom. Take focus on your examination, because 2 days are remained in your examination, and your video making process will be continued. And whatever your personal problem, you can send me on my personal WhatsApp number. Till then, take care. Have a good day.